All right, let's look at Chapter 2, Practice Test 1, solving for a variable. So here, what we want to do is we want to get n by itself. Well, in its way is that plus 15. So how do we undo it? We subtract 15 from both sides of the equation. Whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. This goes away. N is equal to negative 10, lose 15 more. Negative 25 will be our answer. So over here, we can just put in the blank, n equals negative 25 or negative 25 is fine. Problem 2, you have your variable, your unknown number. You took 20 away from it. Now, if you took 20 away from it, how could you get back to your number? Well, the way we undo subtracting 20 is we add 20. But if you add 20 to the left side of the equal, to keep things balanced, you have to do it to the right side of the equal sign. So we add 20 to both sides. N must be 71. And we know we're right because 71 minus 20 gives us 51. So our answer for number 2, 71. Number 3, 4 times n equals 24. So how are we going to undo multiplying by 4? Well, we do undo it by dividing by 4. But if I divide the left by 4, you better divide the right by 4 to keep it balanced. N is equal to 6. 4 times 6 is 24. So there's our answer to number 3. Well, number 4, it says some unknown number divided by 6 is 7. So how are we going to undo that dividing by 6? Multiply both sides by 6. It'll cancel it out there. N is equal to 7 times 6, 42. 42 divided by 6 is 7. So we know our answer is correct. Number 5. Now, in this case, you have a variable here plus a number equals a number. Well, our goal is always to get all variables on one side, all numbers to the other. Well, you already have your variable by itself, 3n. So you need to move this number over to that side. So I need to get rid of that plus 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. On the left of the equal gives me 3n plus 0, which is just 3n. On the right, I'm left with 18. Now, you've gotten all your variables to the left, all your numbers to the right, so you got them on separate sides. I've now got to undo that multiplying by 3, so I divide by 3, and n is equal to 6. Number 6, same thing. Variable minus a number equals a number. So let's move that number over to be with the other number. So we'll add 2 to both sides of the equation. This big fat 0 there because it goes away. Basically, it's moving to the other side. So we have 32 on the right side, 4n on the left. How do we undo multiplying that variable by 4? We divide by 4. 8 will be our solution. We could check it. 4 times 8, take away 2. Does that give me 30? Let's see. That's 32 minus 2, 30. Yes. So we know that's the correct solution.